Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So this is a demonstration video of one of my client project. Basically it was divided into two parts. The first part is to create an Streamlit application for audio analysis, and what it will do, basically it will take an audio file in Spanish, and then it will do certain things. The first thing is to extract the text from an audio file. So any discussion that contains in an audio file, it will be extracted. And the second thing is it will detect the nouns uh, that are existed in the text, okay, and specifically on Spanish, because it is a train on Spanish, and I use Spanish models in order to detect the nouns and other things. So it is specifically for Spanish language, but we can do obviously with any other language as well. So let me show you as well. So this is audio. This is an audio file. Basically, we can import an MP3 or .bav file. Okay, and we can also do certain things, because this is the requirement of the client. What it wanted me to do that to basically give an option in Streamlit to upload a dictionary and glossary. So this dictionary file contains certain columns, and this glossary contains all the Spanish glossary, or we can say that verbs. So this glossary file contains all the verbs, and the customer can keep adding those words in this file. So that is why he wanted me to give that option in Streamlit. So this is the verb file basically, and this dictionary file contains certain things as per his requirements. Some has this file, dictionary file, contain one column which is block list. So any of the word that contains in the block list, if it is appear in the if an audio, so it will not show in the audio. So yeah, this is something is specifically related to the customer requirement. Okay, so let us see the result. I have clicked on this convert to text button. So what it will do, basically it will get the text from an audio file, from this 4-minute audio file. We can try to run that audio file as well.
Mario, ¿qué tal? Época de Navidad y con la información, no sé. Esto sí que puedes.
So this is the 4-minute audio file. So it did the work for us. It get the complete text from an audio, and then the second thing it do, basically it gives us the audio details, that the speaker start speaking after 10 seconds. So if we start an audio, so we can check that an audio file, a speaker start speaking after 10 seconds.
Hola Julia,
See?
¿cómo estás?
So
Hola,
after
Mario,
10
¿qué
seconds
tal?
the speaker start
Hacía tiempo que
speaking,
ya no te veía.
and
Me estaba preguntando si
the
era
audio
para
length is
la
basically
Hombre, serías la primera en saberlo, Julia, que te sea más cómodo.
Sí, Julia, puesto nuestras flechas.
No te preocupes, que haremos algo.
So this is an audio file, and it starts speaking after 10 seconds. It ends with 4 minutes 5 seconds, and the duration of an audio will be 3 minutes 55 seconds if you minus this time. Okay, so this is the thing. The third tab contains all the nouns that are existed in audio and how many times it occurs. So this is the list of nouns. The third tab contains the details. So the concepts contains the main concepts that were discussed in the audio. Profile of the client. So basically these audios contains two persons communication. One is sale person and the other one is customer who is looking to buy a car. Okay, so this is about an audio. So it tells us about the client profile as well, how it is looking for, how much he is confident, and how much we give them hard-coded 6 profiles, and it gives us the probability that okay, it is looking for 0% status, and the comfort he wanted is 30%. He is looking for comfort. So by seeing these stats, the salesperson can suggest them, okay, if your 40% is safety, then good, you should buy this car or you should buy that car. Okay, so this is kind of profiles, and this is the probability. Okay, how much probability is that this customer will going to buy a profile, so which is 0.8. It means that 80%. So all of these details will come from an OpenAI model. I am using that OpenAI model GPT 3.5 Turbo for that. Okay. So this is about the first part of the project. The second part is to create an API for that service completely. So right now we are using a Streamlit, but this is, you can see that we convert this whole application into an API. So we just passed an ID of our audio file. So we can pass an URL of an audio file as well, or we can pass the file ID. So in order to get that file ID, we need to upload the file in Google Drive and get the ID from there, and make sure our right anyone can see the link. So I am going to show you that option as well, so that it will be clear for you. So you can see that these are the files. You just need to make sure that this option is selected. Anyone with the link can view, and to get ID you just need to copy the link, paste it, and from here, from this to this part, you get an ID. So this is the ID. You just need to pass it here and get the response. So it will give the same response that you see in the Streamlit in an API. So that's what about this project. A complete audio analysis with the 97 to 99% success ratio. Thank you very much, and if you are looking for any kind of this project, let me know.